Okay, so we're all using AI pretty much every day, right? But here's a question. Do we actually own it? Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful idea. What if you could move beyond the AI you're just given and actually build your own, on your terms? Let's jump in.
No, seriously, just think about it for a second. The AI you use every single day, your search engine, your smart assistant, the algorithm that's always telling you what show to watch next. Who's really in the driver's seat there? Is that AI working for you or for the company that built it? That's the huge question we're digging into.
So, to get to the bottom of that, we've got to look at how things are set up right now. And the truth is, for most of us, our digital lives are kind of spent talking to, well, black boxes.
What's a black box, you ask? Well, imagine using this super complex machine, but you have no idea how it works. You can't see any of the gears inside. You put your information in, something happens, and you get a result out. But how it got there? No clue. And the worst part? Your data, your personal information, is often the very fuel that's making that machine better for the company, not always for you. You're pretty much locked into their system with almost zero say in how it's run.
Okay, this slide right here. This is the whole story in a nutshell. Just look at these two columns. On the left, that's the world we were just talking about, right? The opaque black box where your data is basically the product. But then, look at the column on the right. This is a totally different way of thinking. It's about transparency, hosting it yourself, and having complete, total sovereignty over your own data. It's really the difference between just renting a tool and owning the entire workshop. And that path on the right, that's what we're talking about today. It takes us away from the problem and straight to this really incredible vision for the future. It's a concept called sovereign intelligence. Now, sovereign intelligence, it's not just a piece of tech. It's really a principle. It's this core belief that you, the individual, should have full, absolute ownership and control over the AI systems that handle your private data and, automate parts of your life. It's that simple. And this quote just nails it. The point here isn't to get rid of AI. Not at all. It's about completely changing our relationship with it. It's about using this amazing technology to reclaim our autonomy, not give it away. And we do that by building transparent, self-hosted AI that actually works for us.
Okay, so this sounds awesome in theory, right? But how do you actually do it? How do you make it real? Well, let's get into the toolkit and see how we go from an idea to a working agent.
And the game plan here is probably way simpler than you'd guess. Step 1 is the language, Python. It's the ultimate jack of all trades. Step 2, we need the brains, right? For that, we tap into these amazing open source large language model APIs that anyone can use. But step 3, this is the secret sauce. It's the philosophy, a lean software architecture. That just means we build with exactly what we need and nothing we don't.
And this is a really, really important point. We're skipping the big, bloated, one-size-fits-all frameworks you get from giant companies. Think of it like this. A bloated framework is like one of those pre-made microwave meals. Sure, it's food, but it's full of stuff you didn't ask for, and you have zero control over the recipe. This lean approach, that's like being a chef in your own kitchen. You handpick every single fresh ingredient, you know exactly what's going into the dish, and it's built perfectly for your taste. So you follow the recipe, you put all these pieces together, and what do you get at the end? You get your own bespoke agent, a personalized AI assistant built by you for you.
And listen, this is not just any AI. This is an agent that gets you. Just imagine saying something high level, like, hey, plan my weekend trip. And instead of just searching the web, it dives into your stuff, your local files, your calendar, that budget spreadsheet you have, and actually puts a real plan together. You can chain all these little modular functions together to build these super powerful custom workflows. It becomes a true digital assistant that kind of thinks the way you do.
I mean, that's the whole point, right? This is not some generic app you download from an app store. This is an AI that's deeply, intimately familiar with how you work, with your data, with your goals, because you're the one who built it. You were the architect.
So let's zoom out. What's the big picture here? What's the main takeaway? Because this is about so much more than just a cool coding project. This is about a fundamental shift, a whole new way of thinking about and interacting with AI. Honestly, building your own sovereign intelligence is a complete game changer. It's the difference between just being a passive consumer of tech and becoming an active creator. It's about taking back the keys, It's about forging a brand new, way more empowered relationship with the very tools that are literally shaping our future. Because when you build your own AI, you're not just writing code, you're writing the rules. You get to decide how intelligence serves you. The power is completely back in your hands. So that leaves just one question, really. With that kind of power, what will you build?